guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul of sorts for you today. This is going to be all about items you might pick up if you were planning a trip to Universal Studios, more specifically if you were planning to visit the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I know that's why I visit Universal Studios. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I've told you guys that before, and I have a trip coming up very soon. I'm going so that I can experience the new Hagrid roller coaster ride they're opening up. I'm going with my best friend. We're both huge Harry Potter fans. We love traveling to Universal Studios together, and I got some items for my trip that I wanted to share with you. These are not going to be like generic items. These are Universal Studios specific. I have done videos like this in the past with a Disney angle. I'll link those below because there is going to be some overlap. There's common stuff that you would want to get if you were going to a theme park, but I really tried to make sure that the stuff I'm sharing with you today is Universal specific. I have a few Harry Potter finds. Yes, you can get Harry Potter stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start with that because it's my favorite stuff. I picked up these window clings. They are so adorable. I cannot believe the Dollar Tree sells these. You get the Hogwarts crest, you've got the Honeydukes logo, you've got some chocolate frogs, you've got a platform 9 3/4 sticker and a Nocturne Alley sticker. These are great to bring if you like to decorate the window at your hotel. I know a lot of families like to do that, especially when you're traveling with kids. It's really fun. You can let the kids stick these on your window, and it's a nice little treat when you come back to your room. You can also decorate like your mirror with these in the bathroom. It's just a really fun little extra way to spread the magic, and for $1, like I said, I cannot believe that the Dollar Tree sells them. The next Harry Potter item I'm going to share with you, it's not Harry Potter per se, but it certainly looks like it. The first time I saw these, I could not believe it. What do these look like to you guys? These look to me like Luna Lovegood's Spectroscopes. I think that's how they're pronounced. I should know. I'm like a reader of the books. I read the books before I saw the movies, and so sometimes I made up my own pronunciations. So I call them Spectroscopes. Maybe you pronounce them some way else. But anyway, these are the glasses that Luna Lovegood wears, and they look just like them. And they function as sunglasses, and you need sunglasses in the parks anyway. You can buy Spectroscopes that are like Harry Potter branded at the parks, at specialty stores, but they're usually somewhere around $20. And so for $1, it looks exactly the same. You find these in like the party section. They have these at the Dollar Tree year round. I've worn a pair of these in the parks before, and I got a ton of compliments on them. People immediately knew what they were supposed to be. Really cute, especially if you're a Luna Lovegood fan. Try these out. I think you'll really enjoy wearing them in the parks. Another item I picked up was like a lanyard. Let me see. And this little luggage tag. So this is really cute. Dollar Tree sells all sorts of lanyards, and I do not wear a lanyard when I go to Disney World, but I like wearing one when I'm at Universal Studios because Universal is somewhere where you need to take your ticket out all the time. Not so at Disney World where you wear a magic band, but at Universal Studios, if you have an express pass, that's their front of the line system that they use. You need your room ticket. You need to keep showing your pass to get in and out of the parks. So a lot of people like to just wear them on lanyards around their neck. So I have a lanyard that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then I bought this a little while ago. It's actually a luggage tag, but I thought the rose gold was so pretty, and I can pop all of my stuff into here and wear it around my neck. And that's a perfect little accessory at Universal. And if you bought them in the park, they're very, very expensive, but for $1, you cannot go wrong. I got a few toiletry items. I always mention on here in my travel videos that I like to get toiletries at the Dollar Tree. It's a great place to get travel toiletries. And then I got some sort of Universal Studios specific ones. I got this pack of toothbrushes. They're Avengers. I know that Disney now owns Marvel, but Avengers and the Marvel superheroes, they still always remind me of Universal. Of course, Universal at Islands of Adventure, they have Marvel Superhero Island, so they've got like the Spider-Man ride, Hulk, so I still kind of think of these as Universal characters. So I got a set of 3 toothbrushes. I thought that was a great deal for 3, and then I found this Crest Avengers toothpaste. Really cute together, especially if you're traveling with kids. What a fun way to pack up their toiletry bag. Again, spreading the magic. I got some Band-Aids. This is a great thing to have in your park bag, and I've mentioned before that Dollar Tree does not typically carry Disney Band-Aids, but they've got a ton of Universal Studios characters that you can pick up. The SpongeBob one is new. I haven't seen them selling that before, but I thought that was a really cute addition. And then I got some Minions ones. They also sell usually Transformers, Jurassic Park Band-Aids, Trolls, a lot of Universal characters in there. So you can pick up your favorite characters. But if you're gonna need Band-Aids, you might as well have character Band-Aids. I got some wipes. These are antibacterial. Trolls. I've never found Disney wipes at Dollar Tree, but they have Universal characters, and this is really great to have at theme parks if you're getting on and off rides and you're holding those handlebars, and then maybe you're going to eat a snack. It's nice to be able to wipe your hands down with something like this. You could also wipe down like a table if you're sitting down for lunch. And then I've got one more item here. Oh no, I have two. I picked up some of these little light up bracelets. I love traveling with these at theme parks. I usually stay for the nighttime shows, and it's just fun to pop stuff on like this. I got 20 for $1. I mean, come on. A bunch of bracelets, and then you can hand them out to kids if you want. And then I got a pack of these little gel pens. I had never seen the Minions characters in these before at Dollar Tree, so I wanted to try them out. This is great if you are going to bring an autograph book into the parks, and you know, you always need a pen to get those autographs, so throw a couple of these in your bags. Again, on brand, really fun. A couple other things that I want to mention that I didn't show here because they weren't like character specific, but you might want to look into getting ponchos at the Dollar Tree, antibacterial hand gel, like hand sanitizer. I love to get the little travel medicines like Advil and Tylenol. That's the kind of thing that I like having at a theme park, and it's so much more inexpensive to get at the Dollar Tree than say the travel section at Target or even Walmart. The stuff there is going to be 2 or 3 times more expensive than if you get it at the Dollar Tree. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to be on the lookout for any of these items. Have you seen those Harry Potter stickers before? I cannot believe that I found them at the Dollar Tree. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I've got a bunch of Harry Potter projects coming up. On Friday, I'm going to be putting up hair bows. You guys, I made a chocolate frog hair bow and a honeydew hair bow. They are so cute. I can't wait to share them with you. I will see you guys next time.